ever since po ba NPC na party nyo?
Yeah, when actually the first time when
you ran as mayor?
when I ran as mayor, I ran as an NPC until now. That's why when I was invited to join PDP, I said that with due respect, I cannot join you because I have been an NPC ever since. In fact, during the time when Danding ran for president way back in 1992, we were the first one to be sworn as members of NPC together with Mayor Duterte.
Your team is kwan, puro NPC, no?
No,
may coalition.
halo-halo ito eh. Tinahi namin ito ng ABACA, Alyansa Alang sa Kausaban, Alliance for Change in Bohol. So it is an umbrella for all the parties joining me. NP, National Party, NPC, the National People's Coalition. We have the Partido Federal ng Pilipinas. We have also the Partido ng Masang Pilipino. So there are big 4 political parties joining me in this crusade against for change.